Then I want to discuss what's the defective pursuits or the cogwheel pursuits or slow pursuits. What's the gain? The gain is the ratio between the speed of the moving eye and the speed of the moving target. If the speed of the moving eye is slower than the speed of the moving target, for the eye to follow this faster target, it has to do some short rapid saccades through its slow pursuits, like this. This is called cogwheel pursuits or low gain pursuits. This video for this lady is for atypical cogwheel pursuits. Let us see it. That's it. That's it. It's very obvious. It's not a smooth pursuit. It's cogwheel pursuits.